Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, lebitso la ka ke Johanna wa ha Mancho, and if you're existing, thank you guys so much for tuning in. So guys, today we are going to make pap. So guys, without wasting your time, you're going to need 4 cups of boiling water. Your water must be boiling. So guys, we cook pap in different ways because we grew up in different cultures, right? So with me at home, we add salt. It's a must. If you give me a pap without salt, it doesn't taste for me. It doesn't give me the taste. Then after adding salt, I'll add maize meal. That's 2 cups of maize meal. You see, when you add the maize meal, at first there's a whole lot of lumps. So we are going to use a whisk. Whisk ke lefetlo, the thing that I'm holding and using right now. It's working as a whisk. So it's going to break down all those lumps all those lumps and make it a bit smooth, right? So you're gonna continue adding your maize meal, and then continue whisking. So little whisker has no whisker fella yaba smooth, all right? So not like really smooth, but then those lumps will not gonna be there. So let me know how you guys cook your pap. And I have realized gotten feedback that most of the people add what do you call vinegar into the pap, add butter and all sort of things. What is it that you add in your pap? So once you're done, you're gonna close it for around 10 minutes, and then you're gonna come back. You're gonna use a mixer. I'm gonna call it a mixer for a lack of a better word, because we call it leho in our language. That's what you use to mix all the maize meal, so it can combine, and then you can now start doing that waloisa. That's mixing waloisa. Then you will mix, and then add more maize meal until the consistency that you want. So, guys, I never liked cooking pap when I was growing up. But then, because we are growing, I had to learn it. Because otherwise, how am I going to survive, guys? Imagine going out and you can't cook pap. You're high, guys. So, and another thing I wanted to ask you guys. I hear people saying I cannot cook pap on a different pot except hearts. You remember the hard pots are those old stainless steel pots, right? So we used to have those hearts at home. But pap is pap. You can cook it in any pot, guys. Please stop with your excuses and cook pap in your what do you call it? Your cast iron pot, your stainless steel. That's not a hard. Your other non-stick pots. At the end of the day, you just need to have a pot. It's not that deep, guys. If you know how to cook pap, this should not intimidate you, because a pot is just a pot. At the end of the day, you cook pap, unless you're telling me when you want the pap that's done on the outside fire, then I will understand, because it tastes totally different. The smoke, it makes it way better. So guys, that's how it looks. And then I went ahead and dish out amakaku. They call it magagu. All right, so yeah, I don't know what you guys call this, but it's amakaku for us. So ke bogobe ba makaku. This is what we mean. It's a porridge that you are able to like dish out like that with the round shape. Well, I know my round is not that round, but I tried. So yeah, guys, that's it. It's as simple as that. I hope you're gonna try or learn to cook pap, I'll definitely appreciate you guys to give me feedback if you have tried cooking this pap. And then if you have polenta, you don't have maize meal, let me know if you need a polenta recipe, because it's so easy, very easy, and polenta is so nice and very versatile. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. I'll see you on my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.